In this video, I will show you how to make a changing pixel art. So this is one that I've made, so I'm just going to show you what happens. So changing just means as students input correct answers, they don't have to be in order. As they input the correct answers, the picture will change. So where do you start? So I'm going to show you how I formatted this one. So this is the picture that I wanted. And so I started with the heart. And then what I did next was I added the ones, and that just told me where I wanted the picture that I was going to put on top. You don't have to put them when you're done formatting. You will have to delete those numbers, but it gives me a guide for how I want to put the picture on top. So from here, what I need to know is where did I put my answers? So I like to use the indirect formula. And right now, you can see on the right side, when I click around, there is no formatting. The conditional formatting just stays blank. These were all poured into here. So I just clicked on the cell and I clicked on the paint bucket and poured it. So my answers are in sheet 2, and I like to format mine in D81 through D90. So what I will do to put a picture on top, again, these numbers will have to be deleted afterwards. What I will do is I will click around all the cells, and I know I want these to be blue. So I'm going to click around some cells, and I'm going to click on add another rule. So if you're not sure how to get here, you can go to format, conditional formatting, and then this will pop up on the right side. So I'm going to add another rule. I'm going to scroll down to the custom formula. And my first answer is in this cell right here, which is D5. So $D, $5, not equal to, because I want it to change as I get correct answers put in. So indirect, sheet 2, because that's where my answer was. Cell D81 is where answer 1 is. And then I'm going to tell it what color that I would like it to be. So I'm going to click on the paint bucket. I want it to be blue. So you'll notice nothing happened on my picture. Nothing happened because right now this is equal to my answer key. I said when this is 1, then this is what I want to happen. So if I delete this, now you'll see the picture appear. So I would continue this process. So I'm going to click on some that I would like to be black in this case. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click add a rule. So I'm going to say equals $D, $. In this case, I'm in D8. So D8 not equal to indirect, because I want it to go to sheet 2, D82. And then what color do I want it to be? I want it to be black. So again, this is not showing up because right now D82 has a number 2 in it. So I'm going to delete that. And I would continue this process until I have formatted the entire picture. After I format the entire picture, if I have numbers, I'm going to go back and just hit the backspace so that all the numbers are gone. And then I'm good to go. So what you can do if you make this template and then you realize that you need different answers or you want to make it for a different course, you can just come over here and you can put in the new answers. So if I needed the word the here, I could put in the new answer. And it automatically updates to that answer, which is the really neat part about this. It's quick and easy to update. So this is how you can make a changing pixel art.